Have you ordered pizza from Dominos India's website or their app? Then for sure your data including your name, phone number, email address, your previous GPS locations and your previous pizza orders including what toppings, including the price are on internet. Yes, and not just yours. Data of 18 crore people have been leaked. Data was shown on the dark web last month, but 2 days ago this was made public as a search engine where anybody could search the data. Hello guys, welcome to DTells. This is D. Here we'll try to tell you everything we learn in detail. The story started when Alan Gall, the co-founder and CTO of a cybersecurity intelligence firm called Hudson Rock, shared on Twitter on April 18 that he found the database of 13 TV being sold for 2 to 8 bitcoins on the dark web. This data included basic information of 250 employees and 18 crore users and a whopping 10 lakh card details. The hacker also said that if Dominos India has to stop this, they need to pay 50 bitcoins. Alan also said the threat actor is looking for around $550k for the database and saying they have plans to build a search engine to enable querying the data. Dominos India replied that it had found an information security incident and it is investigating against that. But no financial information of the customers is at risk. And since the hacker also denied showing the sample of the data, the matter wasn't given that importance which had to be given back then. Now 2 days ago on 24th May, Rajshekhar Ajarya, a cybersecurity researcher, brought into notice on Twitter that this database is made public as a search engine. Hacker has made a searchable link where anybody can search the data from 18 crore scrollable lines. The worst part is hackers have also declared that they are going to make the card details public very soon. As of Sunday evening, 1.8 crore searches were made in the database. Jubilant Fireworks, the company which operates Dominos India, admitted the matter and assured that financial information is safe with them. This mainly affected the public figures like YouTubers, influencers, and normally people who are famous. Some of their data was also on the list, and people used their personal phone numbers and tried contacting them and troubled them. Mobikwik Nikhil, one of the India's vlogger on YouTube, shared on Instagram and requested people that not to trouble the people with their personal information.
सोच समझ के किसी को भी कॉल या मैसेज करना.
Recently, hackers have been targeting Indian startups. A report by IBM's Cost of a Data Breach Report 2020 says that Indian companies witnessed an average $2 million total cost of a data breach in 2020. This represents an increase of 9.4% from 2019. A total of over 26,100 Indian websites were hacked in 2020 amid the pandemic, as per the data given by government's Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. Recently, Monecontrol suffered a data breach that affected 7 lakh users online. Online discount broking platform Upstox suffered a data breach and that affected 25 lakh users. Fintech startup Mobikwik denied claims about the data leak despite having the proof. This affected about 10 crore users. RBI issued new guidelines which stated that payment aggregators and payment gateways should not store the card details online after the payment processor just pays 10 crore users' data were leaked. BigBasket also faced the data breach that exposed 2 crore users' data, which was put on sale for 30 lakhs on dark web in a similar manner to how Domino's data was leaked. India needs to bring regulation governing the security of people's data online. Companies need to invest more in updating and securing their server systems. But at the end of the day, we users should be responsible online. When these types of data leak happens, we users have least liberty to do something. What we can do is keep separate email addresses and phone numbers which are not used in banking or government services for these types of online activities. This may help for some extent. So that was all for this video. Please share this video if you have gained some knowledge or learned something new. Please do like and share and do subscribe to this channel. So Let us meet at the next one. Until then, bye.